At Kochert Pain and Health, our focus is on our patients' quality of life. Quality of life means living every day as pain-free as possible. It means maintaining sufficient mobility to work or play or recreate normally. It means enjoying life as a whole person.
I was just in a lot of pain all the time, and I just wasn't having the quality of life that I had been used to having. And now that I've been a patient here, my quality of life has drastically improved. It's nice when you come into a place and the receptionists know you by name, and Dr. Kochert really takes time to figure out what is the source of your pain and what is causing it, and she is very thorough. She will explore all avenues to try to get your pain under control and managed, and I would recommend her to anyone.
Since her earliest days of practicing medicine, physician Carolyn Kochert has been dedicated to the alleviation of pain. As a board-certified anesthesiologist, Dr. Kochert trained in the science of pain reduction and control. Early in her practice, it became clear to Dr. Kochert that many of her patients' pain problems involved the spine. She was often consulted to treat specific parts of the spine where disc damage or misalignment was interfering with normal spinal nerve function. In addition to causing chronic neck or back pain, this condition would often manifest itself as a feeling of pain or numbness elsewhere in the body, typically in the patient's arms or legs. The most common non-surgical treatment at the time involved injecting the site with steroids, anti-inflammatory drugs, and anesthetics. Such treatment was temporary at best, providing relief only for a matter of weeks or months.
I had been dealing with chronic testicular pain for the better part of 10 years. I've been through several different doctors. Through a course of circumstances, I ended up with Dr. Kochert, and after one examination, she pinpointed where the pain was originating. We came up with a course of action, a procedure that she recommended. We did the procedure, and I've been pain-free ever since. The way I usually put it when I talk about Dr. Kochert is she's a personal hero of mine. I can't recommend her highly enough to anybody who's suffering with any kind of pain. She doesn't just want to mask the pain, she wants to fix it.
Obesity is a contributing factor to many patients' pain and mobility issues. Overweight people are more likely to suffer from pain issues than their normal weight counterparts. Joint problems affecting mobility are also much more frequent and pronounced in those persons carrying too much body weight. Because weight is such a big factor in pain and mobility, Dr. Kochert has developed a program to work with patients in achieving a healthier body weight. Losing weight is never easy, but in a supportive, medically supervised setting, it is truly achievable. Many of our patients are proof of this.
Initially, I came to Dr. Kochert for head and neck pain. And I've noticed that during the process of going through the HCG protocol, I've had not nearly the head and neck pain that I had before. Certainly you have to attribute some of that to weight loss and some of that to better eating, because Dr. Kochert does take a holistic approach to working with her patients.
For 2 decades, Dr. Kochert sought better ways to treat her patients' neck and back pain. Ultimately, she discovered the DRS system. The DRS system, which stands for decompression, reduction, and stabilization of the lumbar spine, can often provide patients with a much more effective solution than those previously available. More detail about the DRS system and other available treatments can be found on our website at drkochert.com. Another exciting new technique employed at Kochert Pain and Health is called PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy. PRP therapy has been used to successfully treat arthritis, tendinitis, bursitis, and a host of other painful soft tissue conditions. This is but one more method available to us at Kochert Pain and Health to help restore our patients to the most complete possible quality of life. At our website, you'll find more information about PRP and what conditions it can be employed to treat. We're as close as drkochert.com.